Hey guys, Seamus here. Bit of a bench update on our latest builds at the minute. Now we've finished our F1 group build. Showed this last night. Got that all done. So that's that out of the road. We're working back onto our Rubicon Jeep, hosted by Bruce. It's about 95% finished. We've got our lights in the front, as you can see. We've got our lights in the back too. We'll get those all wired up. The glue S wheel on, 2 bumpers, and then our roll bar sort of thing, roll cage, whatever you want to call it, before we move on to the rest of it. Seeing now there's not much more to be done to it really. I'll make a taste of Mod Podge up with sawdust and a wee taste of brown paint to represent mud, and then I'm going to add it to the fenders and so forth and the wheels. I did show how I done that a while back, about 2 or 3 weeks ago or more. Our underside with like rust and muck and so forth dried in, and the front, the lights are in it. Not just powered up just yet. The same for the backlights. So once that's done, we're going to move on to our Toyota Supra. It's a wee slump buster just. Going to change those rims out again to the original proper rims. I think these rims are just sitting too proud of the wheel arches themselves. You can't push them in any further, you're able to damage the axle itself. So we'll switch those out again and put the original ones back in. Still to get our engine built up, get our glass work in and so forth. A wee bit more painting to be done inside. Chassis has to be detailed up and weathered and so forth. Front lights, we used our green stuff World Chrome, painted those on. Done that about 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago. So they're well dry, so we'll get our SMDs into the back before we put our lenses on. Same for the back. We'll get our lights in that before lenses go on. Get our glass work in, and just a few other bits and bobs has to be done to it. Then a final polish, and that'll be that one done. So once I get these smaller builds done and dusted out of the road, I'm going to move on to something bigger. I'm contemplating doing one of the either an aircraft carrier 1/350 scale I showed there a while back, or I might just bite the bullet and go for the 1/200 scale, either Arizona or the Iowa. So either one I'll pull out of the stash, and it'll keep me busy well for the winter. Just going to take a break from the trucks and the cars for a while. I'm building them all year sort of thing, in between other group builds and so forth. But anyway, enough rambling. So hopefully I should get those squared up over the next week or so, and then we'll move on to something bigger and better. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all later. Bye.